This incredible footage of a lake of molten rock in Ethiopia was filmed by photographer Joel Santos.
Almost never before seen angles and perspectives of the lava lake, so it's quite unique. One of the most amazing shows that nature can offer you, and it's the closest you can be ever to center of the earth. It's quite an unbelievable experience.
The lava lake is located on Erta Ale volcano, which is the most active volcano in the country. Its name means smoking mountain.
I was really near the lava lake, and sometimes you can hear like a small hiss of pressure releasing from beneath the volcano, and all of a sudden a crack just opens wide, and then it's like fireworks. The whole volcano starts bursting lava into the air. Actually, the lava can reach up to your height. As soon as it erupts, the temperatures rise quite quickly, and they become so high and so unbearable that, for example, if I'm holding a camera, the camera would melt, and even my skin would break with the high temperature. So actually you cannot be quite close, you have to step back.
The travel photographer risked his life to capture the images.
I put myself in harm's way to try to get unique footage and unique shots. I brought a drone with me, and also 4 capable cameras to shoot from the ground. So I didn't have too much time. You can only stay there between night and then sunrise. The temperatures can be as high as 45 degrees and there's no shade.
Even getting to the location can be treacherous.
Approaching the lava lake is actually not easy. After many hours driving jeeps through really bad temperatures are really high in this region. Actually, the Danakil Depression is known for being the hottest place on Earth.
An almost permanent lava lake, the last major eruption in 2005, forced thousands of nearby residents to flee.
Although it's a really beautiful show that the nature presents you, it's a very dangerous show. You can't kid with lava, it's really hot. You have to be aware if there's an eruption, you can get lava over you. It still amazes me how nature works, how this whole mechanics of the world and how it has been formed, and it still amazes me, and I think it will continue to amaze me.